Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit that like button and hit the red subscribe button. It really does help out my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.1 trillion. We are up 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 40.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, wow. Absolutely major green day within the board. And, this has been going on for quite some time. Over the past couple days, to be exact. Look at the last 7 days, guys. Look at the overall market. We are seeing altcoins up double digits across the board. So if you are buying back the dips, guys, you are doing quite well right now. And this is very, very exciting right now because the price of Bitcoin is above $22,000, and this is a very exciting time. So if you are an altcoin holder or Bitcoin holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Polygon Matic. All right, my Matic family, if we are looking at the price of Matic right now, it is currently trading at 93 cents. It's up 1.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's down about 4% in Bitcoin comparative. Obviously, you guys know Bitcoin has seen quite a bit of a spike, which we will get into later in this video. Market cap right now is sitting at $7.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at 1.4 billion. Guys, last time I covered Matic, which was just 2 days back, it was still hovering in the 60-cent zone, and look at where it has come. And I was literally predicting that to happen, and we broke past that resistance level towards the upside, and this does not come as a surprise to me right now. So if you're a Matic holder, you guys are doing quite well. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, it's up 26.3%. But let's forget that. Look at the last 30 days alone. It's up a staggering 143%. Absolute madness going on. But before we jump into the charts and see what exactly is going on and where we could see the price of Matic go in the immediate short term, I just want to share one thing with you guys. So tomorrow is a major news that is coming out of Polygon. You guys can see they tweeted about this today at 10:31 a.m. 1 day to go. 1 day to go until the biggest ZK announcement of the year. And this has got a lot of anticipation as well. And also, you guys know the Disney accelerator news that came out just 3 to 4 days ago. That has been a catalyst as well for this price rally that we have been seeing. But now, let's jump right into the charts and see what is Matic doing and where are we going in the immediate short term. So looking at Matic's price right now, guys, you guys can see, as I mentioned, when I was covering Matic just 2 days ago, we were hovering around this price point. And I mentioned to you guys that this level of resistance over here at that 73 cents mark is a very, very important. If the price of Matic is able to break out of here, we are headed straight to that dollar price point. And most importantly, this major level of resistance at that $1.18 mark. This is, in my opinion, a very, very crucial level of resistance. But right now, you guys can see we are trying to break past this level of resistance. Maybe after I upload this video, we have already broken past it and we're sitting at $1. That would definitely be nice to see, because you guys can see that this $1 level of resistance goes all the way back since the early beginning for Matic. So, it is playing as a major level of resistance for us. We literally touched it almost 2 times, but never managed to break above it. Last time we saw the price of Matic above this level was back on May 9. So you guys get the perspective as to how important this really is. And if we break out of here, guys, things could get very, very exciting for the price of Matic. It has been holding very, very strongly right now. Let's go on to the 1 hour time frame so we get a better picture as to what is going on. You guys can see it has been holding very, very strongly, and obviously I believe the overall market sentiment along with the anticipation for tomorrow is playing as a huge factor why the price is holding quite significantly. But I do believe that Matic is just getting started. What we have seen over the past, couple of days is just the absolute start, because, people are starting to realize what this project is really all about. And I've been covering this project literally since day one for you guys. And I believe it's just the absolute beginning. And, I made a huge, prediction in my personal opinion. Again, only my personal opinion, not financial advice. I could see the price of Matic pull an all-time high even in the downwards market. That's how bullish I am on this project. And right now, if we are able to break out of this $1 price point, next target is that $1.18 level of resistance. We might see some choppiness around here, some sideways momentum rejection happen within that range, but that is definitely normal in my personal opinion. People will be taking profits tomorrow. I do expect that to happen unless the news is absolutely massive. If they announce they have partnered with Walmart or Amazon, obviously that is going to literally take Matic, in my opinion, to all-time highs. But who knows what the news could be, but I do expect some people to be taking profits. So we might see some choppiness, a little bit of a consolidation correction happen within the price. But if you were to come and tell me, we are seeing Matic go all the way back down to 65 cents, sorry, I just don't see that happening unless Bitcoin were to have a flash crash below in $19,000 or even below that for us to see that. But I think the momentum is too strong right now for Matic. Looking at Bitcoin, guys, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has done something absolutely insane, which should not be ignored. We broke out of this major level of resistance, $22,000 price point. You guys know Crypto ZX is sounding like a broken record at this point, always talking about $22,000. And you guys can see the price of Bitcoin managed to break out of here for the first time ever since June 17th. And right now we are above it. I don't care if the price of Bitcoin stays here for 2-3 weeks. I'm totally fine with that as long as it's above this $22,000 support level. But so far everything is looking insanely good. But let's not get too excited because we do need to see the price of Bitcoin hold around these levels for a couple of days for us to really believe that this is playing as a level of support, and we are indeed headed towards the upside rather than it being a bear trap. So that's something we need to keep in mind right now. Looking at BTC dominance on the other hand, it's 44% to be exact, and that is playing a big factor in having altcoins outperform the overall market. So we are seeing altcoins explode more than Bitcoin right now. And this is the 1 hour time frame. You guys can get a better picture as to what really is going on within the price of Bitcoin if I am bringing a measuring tool for you guys. If you picked up some Bitcoin around this $18,923 mark on July 3rd, you are already up 23%. And let's not forget, guys, Bitcoin is an asset class that is being accepted within the traditional markets, and I believe this bear market is not going to last too long. So if you were wishing that you were picking up some altcoins that you were eyeing back earlier last year when we were hitting all-time highs after all-time highs, now is the time to be accumulating dollar cost averaging into them rather than buying them literally when they have pumped up thousands of percent. So now is the time to be looking into them, but not financial advice. You guys do what works for you. But looking at staking rewards, guys, look at Polygon's overall stake value. 31.8% of its circulation supply is being staked right now. People are earning passive income. So if you're in for the long haul, I suggest you stake your Matic tokens and make your holdings way bigger as time goes by. It's very beneficial. So please check that out. Also, I just wanted to share one thing with you guys as to what I did. Again, I am totally not a big fan of this, and I've said this and I've never kept this a secret on my channel. I am not a big fan of margin trading or leverage trading. I'm against that. You need to be extremely educated about the markets in order to even play with it. And even then, you have a very high risk to lose it. But I just wanted to share one thing with you guys. I want to be transparent. I did open up a long at that 61 cents mark roughly, and as of now I have not closed that long position because I do believe there's more leg up. And just wanted to share that with you guys so we can see where the price goes, and I will share with you guys the results as to what really happens. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you can see the price of Matic go at the end of this year. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.